Friends, as a commodity trader, we should know what we have to follow. Commodity is different from equity market, so please do not correlate bo- each other. Please do not follow the same thing. In equity market, if you follow technical analysis properly, then definitely you will get a profit. News has less impact. But in commodity market, as per my experience, you have to always mix technical analysis, fundamental analysis as well as news, because news can also impact a lot. So please be careful. And commodity market movement is very high, so you have to always put a stop loss. I already told what stop loss you have to put. So let's look into major tips for commodity market. So we know that commodity is the highly traded in world, and crude oil is one of the most traded. Then there are a different segment also. You can trade in copper, zinc, natural gas, gold, silver. These are metals. And the another segment of commodity is soft commodity. So commodity we can divide two parts. One is the hard commodity, one is the soft commodity. Soft commodity depends upon the weather condition, and hard commodity has been taken anyhow. It is linked with the earth. So we used to derive from the earth, if you see basically. So the first major important some golden tips which you should follow to be a successful trader. The first is stay patient. So it is possible for us to jumpy or overconfident while investing, but acting hastily could lead to our downfall. So it is imperative that one exhibit patience. So we have to keep patience when we are doing trading in commodity. And in commodity, we have to invest in a multiple commodities. Please do not invest in one commodity whole amount of your capital as a commodity trader. So keeping all your eggs in one basket will do you more harm than good, and diversification is very crucial in commodities. So please be careful. Do not believe what you hear. So please do not believe what you are listening from the market news. You have to verify that and take actions. So first experience first hand is important, and do not follow the crowd, please. है ना? And that can impact you because the news may be planted by someone else who want to get a profit. Do not hesitate, ask to help. As a commodity trader, you have to go through good courses. There are a number of analysts and advisors are available who helps people who lost the trade. They check where they got the problem, and they support also. So please be in touch with a good analyst who are trader also in past, so he can help you. And stock market is not same as the commodity market, please remember. So commodity market is different from stock market, so please do not correlate each other. It is easy for us to confuse ourselves between stock and commodity market, but person should remember these are separate entities and different strategies should be used. Evolve. So it is imperative that investor continuously stay abreast of current happenings and evolve over time. When it comes to investment ideas, invest slowly. So one can get away prospect fast money, but it is idle to begin slow, invest progressively, and understand how the market functions increases. And we have to understand the risk. So there are a lot of risk in this market, so person should be aware of those risks. So let's look into how we can start commodity trading. For doing trading, open a demat account, opt for brokers that offer competitive rates, and take expert advice. And then you create a account, and once you starting trading, just put a small amount, not a big amount. and just see which trade you want to do it. And trading in commodity includes you can buy stocks of the company based on commodity, and we can invest in mutual fund, and we can directly also invest, please remember. So there are some important points that you should understand, and you should note that in mind. First thing is understand the commodity market. It is really critical. So you should understand commodity cycle is essential to trade in the sector. So looking recurring patterns in demand and supply. The second is volatility level. The third is causes for changes in the commodity prices to track the trade. So you have to follow the international news in commodity market, because this is impacting commodity market to large extent. Any investor need to keep track of news about border disputes, conflict, economic developments, geopolitical issues. So those things are really important. These things are not so much important in equity market. And stop loss is really critical. You should always use a stop loss, because the prices are very volatile, and if in case of any fallout, you might have a major losses. Diversification, it is really important. I already told this ensure trader is protected from big losses, and they can mitigate risk. Potentially risky resources, oil. Then avoid high leverage. So here usually require high leverage than the stock market. So the term refer to utilization of borrowed fund for increasing investor trading position. Behind that can um, achieve from their cash balance alone. This allow greater returns of initial investment, but potential losses will be higher. Understand the risk of high leverage and avoid carried away by prospect of high returns. So friends, these are the major tips for commodity market. So just try to understand those, go through once, you have better clarity, and you have to implement this in your trade also. This is from my end. Thank you.